Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a calendar to your Wix website. So first, we're going to open our site in the Wix editor. Then we're going to click on the Add button on the top left corner. Next, we're going to scroll to the right until we find the App button. And then click on it. We're going to scroll downwards until we find the Calendar app. Since we didn't find it, we're going to click on See All just to the right. Once we find it, we're going to click on it. Another option would be to search for it on the search bar at the top. You guys could use either of the two, whichever is convenient. Then now we're going to click on Agree and Add. As you can see, it's adding the calendar to our site. So as you can see, it's added to our page. You can move it or resize it. Adding a calendar to your Wix website makes it easy for clients to book you instantly without back and forth messages. It saves time, prevents double bookings, sends automatic reminders, and even lets you collect payments up front. Instead of just viewing your site, visitors can take action immediately. To edit it, click on the Settings button right on top. Then as you can see, you guys can add events, manage events, or even add texts, add-ons, designs, and layouts. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.